hate this. Every time I sit down on my chair, it just pushes me back. Hi guys! So I have my scissors ready and I finally have my KNITCRATE box. I feel like I may be the only one left that haven't done my unboxing yet, and that's only because I received it late. A neighbor was holding it for me and she just kept missing me, so here I am, probably the last one to open it, but that's okay. Okay, so it's time to unbox, and I'm really excited for this because I did are you guys upset? Because there's nothing I could do. Yeah, so like I said, I did sneak and look at the website for what was coming up, and I was really excited about it. So I'm like I'm curious to see what color I did receive. I saw that some people received red and some people received mint. I really want the mint. I think that'll be a really fun color to wear or use for something. I got the mint! Yay! Okay, so this crate is ice cream, and just an overview. I know I did another video that really goes in detail about KNITCRATE, and I'll link that in the upper right hand corner. Is it? I don't know. I'll link that there. But KNITCRATE is a monthly subscription company. I was getting bags before, but recently I've been getting boxes, which for some reason is a little bit more exciting. I don't know why, but they'll send you, depending on the crate that you choose, they will send you the box with one of these inside to tell you what's the theme for the month, and they'll also send you a full description of how much each item would normally cost, as well as the retail value, which is normally around $63, and you're getting it for $24.99. I also have a code for it, which I'll write right here. And for this one, like I said, it's ice cream, fresh neons, icy brights of this month's shipment will have you screaming for more. Celebrate the season with these popping primary tones with a twist. These electric hues reminds us of afternoons spent poolside, energetic beach towns, and the sizzling heat of summer days. So it looks like this, guys. And in your box, you'll also get a little card showing the crochet design, which this one is by Kalora Hudson. I stumbled upon her Instagram page when I actually started knitting, and she's just so sweet, and she did a giveaway that I won a packet with her knit pattern, so that was really cool. And I also have the knit design by Tyga Hilliard, and this is like a shawl, and it's very beautiful as well. Yeah. So this is the yarn, you guys. I don't know if the camera is picking up the color correctly. Let's see. There we go. Focus, baby. There we go. Let me tone down the brightness, so maybe there we go. I'll pick it up better. But this is, yeah, it seems very true to what I'm holding. So it's a minty green color, and the colorway is Chewy's. Let's see. There we go. And it says it's the softest sock. It's 75% superwash merino, 15% nylon, and 10% cashmere. It is so soft, and it's finger and weight with 437 yards. So this is almost 900 yards together. So that's really good. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. So Like I said, it's a monthly subscription program. You can go and check that out. I will leave the link to their website down below, and you can also use my coupon code to get 20% off. I also wanted to show you something on their website, because it seems like if you pay more for the monthlies, like if you pay for 6 months, you get more money off. If you pay for a whole year, you get more money off. So if you know ahead of time that this is something that you're going to have for 6 months or a year, I would suggest you go ahead and purchase that. So I'm going to switch over to my computer screen now, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Right now you're seeing the one that I just unboxed for you. Right here you'll see that if you pay for per month, you get the crate for $24.99 each. But if you pay every 6 months, you'll get $23. You get it for $23.90. But if you pay for 12 months, you'll get it for $22.90 per box. So, as you can see, you will have to pay more upfront, but you save more at the end of the day. So I know for myself, I would probably choose the 6-month option. Go ahead, you add that to your cart. Then you'll press checkout. And in checkout, you'll be able to add your discount code. And mine is Snowflake20. Email. Let's see. There you go. So you'll get 20% off the total price. So you'll actually get 6 months for $114.72. You see your KNITCRATE, normally you get it for $24.99, and you'll get your 2 skeins, 1 knit pattern, 1 crochet pattern, free shipping, which normally costs $5. Then you'll be able to receive discounts of at least 25% on select items through our members only section called Member Central, and this is this. So if I click on it now, you'll actually get locked out if you're not signed in. So you'll see it here. So you won't be able to see anything that's here unless you're actually a member. So it's really exclusive. And then each month you earn $25 stash points to redeem on the shop or towards any subscription. 1 point equals $1 point per dollar spent. And you get to watch tutorials that KNITCRATE has. Really just super gracious to be a part of their affiliate program and to be able to receive all these beautiful yarn and pattern. If you want me to do a video on how this all happened, or if you're interested in working with a brand and don't know how to kind of approach them, leave a comment down in the comment section and I'll try to make a video on that for you guys. So until my next video, bye.